Hi, this is Abby Rogers with DrySteam. In this video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to have on hand and know in advance for a smooth installation of dechlorinators. Let's start with the tools and supplies you will need. An approved mechanical drawing or plan to work from, code-compliant pipe suitable for softened water, fittings to run and connect the pipe, mounting brackets and hangers, tools for cutting and connecting the type of pipe used, a few pipe unions to enable maintenance of the dechlorinator, a level, and of course the water pre-treatment system's IOM. Now we'll walk through the components and connection points you'll be working with during installation. Position the dechlorinator and use the level to check that it is plumb. Load the carbon media per the IOM, see figure 21 in the IOM. Connect building water to the dechlorinator. Connect the dechlorinator to the water softener. Connect electrical power to the dechlorinator. Set up the dechlorinator control head time of day. Fill out the system operating log and date it. Fill out the water quality test log. And run the system and check for leaks. Before you head out to the installation site, here are some things you should verify. Floor space for the unit is clear and ready. Power, water, and drain have been run and are operational. The water softener is in place, and access to the space is available. Installation will take about 1 to 2 hours if everything at the worksite is ready to go. Now you have all the information you need for a smooth installation of dechlorinators. Taking time to plan and check ahead of installation day will save time in the field and prevent unnecessary return trips.